Hi, good morning, one and all. Now, in phylum Echinodermata, they having a subphylum Eutherazoa. Last class we can discuss about class Asteroidea. Now we can discuss about class 2, that is called as a Ophiroidea. In Ophiroidea class, it includes brittle stars and basket stars. What is differentiation between the Asteroidea and Ophiroidea? In Australia, the arms are not clearly demarcated from the central disc, but here the arms are long, clearly demarcated from the central disc of the body. The arms are flexible and branched one. See, in Eutherazoas, only one common thing: umbilical grooves are closed, madreporite is open. Except for the Asteroidea, for they having a madreporites and umbilical grooves are both are open. Q-feet, absence of suckers, and madreporite what position is in the oral surface, but for the starfish it is in the aboral surface. Larva is what type of larva? Ophioflotus larva. The best example is the Ophiothrix. Ophiothrix is commonly called as a spiny brittle star. The next one is the Echinoidea. In this Echinoidea, it can include sea urchins, sand dollars, and sea biscuits. The body is ovoid for sea urchins and discoid for the sand dollars, and covered with movable spines. Here, for Echinoideas, arms are absent, but the 2 feet they can be as suckers. And very important one, the calcareous ossicles of the body unit to form a rigid test or case. It means now this is a discoid one. Here the total it is covered with a calcareous shell. This total shell is called as a rigid test or case. Madreporite and anus is present in the aboral position. That's why for Asteroidea and Echinoidea, madreporite what position? Aboral position. For Ophiroidea it is what position? Oral position. Pedicellariae is how many jaws? 3 jaws. For Asteroidea it is how many jaws? 2 jaws. And then very important one, for sea urchins, 5-jawed mastificatory apparatus. Mastificator means which is cutting the food material from complex substances into the simple substances. That is called as a mastification. Now that apparatus is called as a Aristotle lanterns. It is present in the sea urchins. The larva is what type of larva? Echinoplutus larva. Now the best example is the Echinus. Echinus is commonly called as a sea urchins, and Echinodiscus is commonly called as a sand dollars, and Echinocardium is commonly called as a heart urchins. Now next we can go for the Holothuriidea. It includes sea cucumbers. Here also there is no arms. The body is elongated in the oro-aboral axis. Loosey, spiny, leathery skin is present, and they having a somewhat elevated spicules like this. That's why the body is elongated in the oro-aboral axis. The skin is leathery. Dermis content. Dermis means skin. Loose spicules. Arms, spines, pedicellariae is absent. The mouth is surrounded by small tentacles for capturing of the food materials. Madreporite is internal. It means in the body cavity, in the coelom, madreporite is present. And very important one, the respiratory organ is the cloacal respiratory trees. I already said. And then larva is what type of larva? Auricularia larva. The best example is the Holothuria. Holothuria is commonly called as a sea cucumber.